Welcome to the Quality Management System Standards seminar. Now, to start with, I'd like you to look up on the internet the PDF of ISO 16448 2002E. Now, you should be able to find a preview at least of the standard online. It's actually the standard for the 120mm DVD read-only disc. So that's a DVD disc, and it obviously comes with a standard. Many of you might have bought them, seen them, and they're obviously a certain size. They fit into a DVD player, and it's quite interesting to see the standard written out. So the question to ask is, why should this standard exist? And how did we cope before such standard exists? What is its use? And who would use this standard? And how does it contribute to quality? So have a look for that standard, have a look through it, and then try and answer those questions. Now I'd like you to consider, what is the role of the global ISO standards? What benefits could they bring to a manufacturer? And how might adopting ISO 9000 help a small firm win new business? So consider those three questions. So those are the questions for the seminar. Please do see the other videos in the quality series. These videos are all free, so please like and subscribe.